Welcome to the Upper West Side. I'm Amanda Jordan of Sotheby's International Realty. Today we're stepping into a true piece of New York City history. Built in 1884, this landmark Neo Grec townhouse is the perfect marriage of 19th century elegance and modern day design. Let's go take a look. When you enter the parlor floor, you immediately feel the scale. 13-foot ceilings and dramatic sightlines create an immediate sense of grandeur. And then you can take in the incredible original detail that this townhouse has to offer. From the exquisite stained glass windows to the intricate wood stairs, every detail has been thoughtfully renovated. What I love about this home is that it's not just a house, it's a collection of curated experiences. In this stunning library, we have a hand-carved fireplace, custom bookshelves, and these amazing intricate moldings. It also has these two oversized windows that bring in an abundance of natural light. This makes it the ideal spot to cuddle up with a good book in a classic lounger. This is the living room, perfect for gracious entertaining. It has an abundance of southern light, which makes it perfect for lounging. The focal point of the room is yet another wood-burning fireplace with this exquisite handcrafted mantel. There's also intricate wood moldings throughout and a lovely stained glass window that overlooks the serene meditation room. But let me show you my favorite part. This terrace off the living room overlooks your private backyard, and it transports you out of the city with the sounds of the birds chirping. Can you believe this is in the middle of Manhattan? Where the parlor level was about savoring the past, the garden level is all about contemporary living at its finest. Down here, there's a guest suite, a den, and a kitchen that would make even a chef swoon. It has top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, a dining area, and its own wood-burning fireplace. The kitchen leads to this inviting den with a glass transom that brings in an abundance of light. But the best part is that it opens up to your own personal backyard. Imagine having your morning coffee here in your own personal backyard with a dogwood tree and the birds chirping. It's truly an urban sanctuary. Upstairs, there are 5 additional bedrooms and a roof deck with the best views of the Upper West Side. But I'm taking you to the primary suite. The reason this primary suite stands out are all the original historical details. It has parquet floors, 2 fireplaces, and these beautiful windows overlooking the street. One of the most interesting details of this primary suite is this vanity from the 1800s. Looking into the mirror is like looking into the past. To finish off this primary suite, we have a sitting room, a spa-like bathroom, and yet another terrace. This townhouse is a true architectural work of art, filled with serenity, creativity, and historical charm. I'm so glad you are able to take a look with me today.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.